Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce the new products on my right hand. This is a double deck pizza ovens. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. The unit's entire length, they are about like a 22 inches wide, include the front handlebars. Total depth, it is about like a 22 inches deep too. And the overall height is about like a 17 and 1/4 inches tall. So as we can see, the units at front, they have two monitoring windows in the center and handlebars, you can pull it out. We can see they have a stone deck inside. And for the dimensions of it, it is about like a 16 inches deep and the 15.5 inches wide. And also for the clearance height, it is about like a 4.5 inches. And also the inner side top of the units, they have a heating elements too. And the bottom, they have a topping heating elements at the second layer too. So they can heating the pizzas from the bottoms and top together. And also on the side, we have the temperature controls. They do having the standard from the 50 degrees to the 350s. And they give you the indicator lights to showing you the machine is running. And also they do having a timers at the bottoms. And at the least, they do having a power switch right here. Looking the behind of the units, we can see they're using the 220, the commercials plugs right here, like this standard size. And they do having the stickers on the back too. They give you the voltage using the 240 and the capacities and using the powers about like a 3 kilowatts. And that's what be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.